Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Podcast. I'm Jay.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we are going to talk about something that almost every English learner asks us.
What is that, Jay?
How do I practice English alone when I have no one to talk to?
That is such an important question. And the answer is simple. You can practice alone, easily.
Yes, you don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. You just need yourself.
And we are going to show you exactly how to do it.
By the end of this episode, you will have a complete practice routine that you can do every day.
So let's start with the most common question. Why do people think they need someone else to practice English?
Because they think speaking is the only skill that matters. They forget about listening, reading, and writing.
So there are 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
Yes, and the best part is you can practice all 4 skills by yourself.
How do we do that?
Let me share with you a simple routine. It's called the 15-minute English practice.
The 15-minute English practice. I like that.
So here is the routine. 5 minutes for listening, 5 minutes for reading, and 5 minutes for speaking.
That's it?
That's it. Just 15 minutes every day, and you will see results.
That sounds very easy.
It is easy, but you have to be consistent. Consistency is the key.
Consistency is the key.
So let's break it down. The first 5 minutes, listening.
What do we listen to?
Listen to anything in English. A podcast, a YouTube video, a news broadcast, even a song.
Even a song?
Yes, songs are great. They help you learn rhythm and pronunciation.
That's a fun way to learn.
While you listen, try to catch the main idea. What are they talking about?
So don't worry about every word.
Exactly. Focus on understanding the meaning, not every single word.
Understand the meaning, not every word.
Good. Now the second 5 minutes, reading.
What do we read?
Read something simple. News articles, short stories, blog posts, even comments on social media.
Comments on social media?
Yes, they are short and use real English.
So we can learn from real life.
Exactly. While you read, find 3 new words. Write them down.
Find 3 new words and write them down.
Yes, and then try to use them in a sentence.
For example, if I find the word adventure, I say, I love adventure.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
And the last 5 minutes, speaking.
This is the most important part. This is where you build confidence.
How do we practice speaking alone?
Simple. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes, it feels strange at first, but it works.
So how do I start?
Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making coffee. I am opening the window. I'm going to work.
I am making coffee. I am opening the window. I am going to work.
Yes, do this every day. It will train your brain to think in English.
Think in English, not translate.
Exactly. Translation slows you down. Thinking in English makes you faster.
So the 15-minute English practice is listening, reading, and speaking.
Yes, 5 minutes each, every day.
What about writing?
I'm glad you asked. Writing is also important. You can write a daily journal.
A daily journal?
Yes, write about your day, write about your feelings, write about what you learned.
For example, today I practiced English for 15 minutes. I feel good.
That's a great sentence. Simple and effective.
So the full routine is 20 minutes, 15 for listening, reading, speaking, and 5 for writing.
Yes, but if you can only do 15 minutes, that's okay. Start small, build the habit.
Start small and build the habit. I love that.
Let me give you another powerful method. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing, what's that?
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say at the same time.
So I'm copying them.
Yes, you are like a shadow. Follow their rhythm, follow their pronunciation, follow their tone.
That sounds fun.
It is fun. Pick a short video or podcast, listen to one sentence, pause, repeat, then listen to the next sentence.
Listen, pause, repeat.
Yes, do this for 5 minutes every day. Your pronunciation will improve fast.
I'm going to try this.
Let me give you another technique. It's called the 3-2-1 method.
What's the 3-2-1 method?
You watch a video or listen to a podcast. First, you listen for 3 minutes, then you summarize it in 2 sentences, then you say one opinion about it.
That sounds challenging.
It is, but it's very effective. It pushes you to think and speak at the same time.
Listen for 3 minutes, summarize in 2 sentences, say one opinion.
Perfect. You already learned the method.
I guess I'm a good student.
I guess you are an amazing student.
So, what else can we do to practice alone?
You can also record yourself.
Record myself.
Yes, speak for 1 minute on any topic, then listen back.
That sounds scary.
It is scary at first, but it's the best way to hear your mistakes.
So I can improve.
Yes, when you listen back, you will notice things you didn't notice while speaking.
Like my pronunciation or grammar?
Exactly. And then you can fix them next time.
So recording myself is like a mirror for my speaking.
That's a beautiful way to put it, a mirror for your speaking.
Now I have a question. What if I don't have time for 15 minutes every day?
Then do 5 minutes. 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Every minute counts.
Yes, even 1 minute of practice is better than no practice.
So just start anywhere?
Exactly. Start anywhere. Start now.
Let me ask you something. What is the biggest mistake people make when practicing alone?
They try to be perfect. They stop when they make a mistake.
So they give up.
Yes, they feel embarrassed even when no one is listening.
That's so true.
But you must allow mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn.
Mistakes are proof that I am trying.
That's a great sentence. Write it down.
Mistakes are proof that I am trying.
Now, let me share some apps that can help you practice alone.
Apps? Tell us.
There are many free apps: Duolingo, Memrise, BBC Learning English, and many more.
I love using Duolingo.
It's great, but remember, apps are tools. They help you, but they are not enough.
Why not?
Because apps teach you words and grammar, but they don't help you speak fluently.
Nodding. So I still need to practice speaking.
Yes, speaking practice is essential. No app can replace that.
So I should use apps and also practice speaking alone.
Yes, combine them. Apps for vocabulary, speaking practice for fluency.
That's a great strategy.
Let me ask you a question.
What is it?
Have you ever talked to your mirror?
Yes, I talk to myself a lot.
Talking to your mirror is a great way to practice.
It feels less weird than I thought.
When you talk to your mirror, you can see your mouth movements. This helps with pronunciation.
See my mouth movements.
Yes, it's like having a speaking partner.
My mirror is my partner.
Yes, and your mirror never judges you.
That's true.
So, practice with your mirror every day. Your confidence will grow.
I'm going to try that tonight.
Good. Now let's talk about the power of repetition.
Repetition?
Yes, repeat the same sentence until it feels natural.
So I say, I am going to work 10 times?
Yes, 10 times, 20 times, until it flows.
That sounds boring.
It can be boring, but it works.
Okay, I'll try.
That's the spirit. Repetition builds muscle memory.
Muscle memory.
Yes, your mouth learns the sounds. Your brain learns the patterns.
So speaking becomes automatic.
Exactly. You don't think, you just speak.
That's the goal.
Now, let's talk about something important. Don't be afraid to look silly.
Look silly?
Yes, when you practice alone, you can make funny sounds. You can exaggerate your pronunciation.
Exaggerate.
Yes, say B-A-na-na for banana.
B-A-na-na.
That's perfect. Overpronunciation helps your mouth learn.
So being silly helps me learn.
Yes, being silly is part of the process.
So never be afraid to look funny.
Especially when you are alone.
Yes, no one is watching.
So practice with full energy, full expression, full confidence.
I love this energy.
Now, let's talk about something else. Learning with music.
Music?
Yes, listen to English songs, read the lyrics, sing along.
Singing?
Yes, singing helps with pronunciation and rhythm.
That's fun.
It is fun, and it's a great way to practice alone.
I love listening to pop songs.
Pick a song you love, learn the words, sing it every day.
Learn the words, sing every day.
Yes, your English will improve without even trying.
Without even trying.
That's the beauty of learning with music.
So, what's the final message for everyone today?
The final message is this: you don't need anyone to practice English.
You just need yourself.
You have everything you need: your phone, your ears, your voice, and 15 minutes.
That's all you need.
So, start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now.
Start now.
Start with 5 minutes, then 10, then 15.
Build the habit slowly.
Yes, consistency over intensity.
Consistency over intensity.
That's the secret. Small steps every day.
Jay, this has been an amazing episode.
It has. I hope everyone feels ready to practice alone.
And remember, you are not alone. We are here with you.
Yes, we are in this together.
So keep practicing, keep growing, keep believing.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to Daily English Podcast.
Yes, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
And don't forget to practice with your mirror tonight.
I will.
Good.
This is Sara.
And this is Jay.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Keep speaking, keep learning, keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.